In fact, what is commonly called depression after sex is a slightly different symptom. Namely, we are talking about postcoital dysphoria that occurs after sex. Although depression and dysphoria can manifest in a similar way, depression is still a longer form of mood disorder. PR Magazine About Life, Cheese and Intermediate States, royalcheese.ru. And depression is a mental disorder that requires treatment. But dysphoria is a phenomenon that can occur and pass quite quickly. Thus, we are not talking about depression that occurs after sex. Below we will take a closer look at what dysphoria is, which can Dysphoria is the opposite of euphoria. This condition is characterized by depression, tension, and aggression. This condition can last only a couple of minutes and rarely lasts longer. Of course, there are different cases. Psychologists also note the existence of such a diagnosis as dysphoric depression, which is characterized by a longer form. To make such a diagnosis, the symptom is a magazine about life, cheese and intermediate states, royalcheese.ru. They should manifest themselves for at least 1 month. Postcoital dysphoria is a feeling of sadness, anxiety or aggression that occurs after sexual intercourse or masturbation. Such a condition can occur for many reasons. For example, because of the fear of intimacy or emotional or physical violence experienced in the past, or to indicate that the relationship with the current partner is abusive. The connection between sex and sadness is actually explained quite simply. The thing is that during sex, hormones of happiness are released, and after the process is completed, the level of serotonin decreases, which causes a breakdown and even sadness. Besides, everyone reacts differently to orgasm. People tend to manifest themselves in intimacy quite emotionally. Some laugh, others cry, others react in some other way. This is quite normal. If such a reaction is about life, cheese and intermediate states, royalcheese.ru, if it does not bother the person in any way, then everything remains within the norm. Sadness and other dysphoric reactions can occur in many other situations associated with the release of serotonin and oxytocin. In addition, scientists have found that getting pleasure from sex works the same way as getting it from food or, for example, music. So signs of dysphoria can be observed not only after sex, but also in any other situation that is experienced quite emotional. Recent psychological studies have shown that sex significantly reduces the possibility of falling into a depressive state. After all, serotonin is a natural antidepressant. So yes, indeed, with the help of sex, depression can be treated. So lovemaking is one of the best and most effective natural ways to feel better. OS Magazine About Life, Cheese and Intermediate States, royalcheese.ru. Especially at the moment when depressive symptoms get the better of you. Moreover, according to British researchers, sex 1 time a week is quite enough to maintain a harmonious relationship and a good mood of partners. As we found out, depression cannot occur after sex, but dysphoria is easy. And, as it turned out, sex successfully treats depression, but does not cause it.